Hello friends, welcome to the next module. In the last module we had seen resume writing. In this module we are going to see emails. As you are seen on your screen, there are two pictures. Here is the letter which contains @ and this is the sign of particularly which we are using in email address. I am Mr. Rajesh Dattatreya Zankar from Department of English, Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samajaj, KSKW Arts, Science and Commerce College, SIDCO, which is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University. Let us see. Friends, what is email? Nowadays, email is very popularly used everywhere. It is a kind of letter. It becomes most popular because of its speed. Once you just make the mail from the one end and it could be reached to the other end with the help of email address. It is more secure. It may be harmful if the hackers may do something else with your email ID or you pass on your password to somebody else's. Another point is it can be used at personal, academic and business communication also. It is the medium of correspondence. Now there are certain tips for effective email writing. The first is emails used or we have to use formal, informal or even casual language, depends on to whom we are writing these particular emails. Make the message more compact, interesting to read. Avoid writing long messages. It could be interrupt the readers and he will not be paying attention towards your emails. Do not skip subject line. When we see the hands-on training, we could I'll just explain this. Be careful about the attachments. Whatever you are going to attach, whether it is a picture, videos, PDF file, doc file or PowerPoint presentations. Email writing is not an attack on someone or to vent your anger. So in your email you should not use the abusive language. Using capital letters considered to be rude in email writing. And the last one is do not write any illegal or unethical things in email. Be careful about sending copies to the others. Now there are certain components in email. These are the 6 major components we could see while we are drafting email: from, to, copy to, BCC, subject line and attachments. So let us have hands-on training. Friends, whenever you go, first of all I'll show you. This is your browsing bar. Over here you can just write down the Google. Google is very secure. Nowadays there are so many browsers on which we cannot rely. So here you could see the icons, Gmail, images, and this is my picture. So I just click on the Gmail. After just clicking on Gmail, first of all he will ask you your email ID and the password. After clicking OK, you will see this is what exactly the email it look like. See, there are primary, social, promotions, updates and forums. These are the labels, we could say that. as I told you, this is the left hand sidebar. Here is the plus sign, which in this particular module I am going to talk about in detail. You have to just click on the plus sign. What I did, I'll repeat again. This is the plus sign which we have to use when we draft an email. So in this module we are going to see the drafting of the email. So you have to click on plus sign. This is what exactly the box would be open. Now, as I told you, to subject, and these are the icons over here, you could see here only. Now this is CC and BCC. Okay, you can add the BCC recipients, you can send the same copy to the other persons also. Now if you wish to write the email or a letter, what is the required thing? You must have the address. So in email one must have an email address. So after clicking here, you have to write down the email address to whom you wish to write the email. So suppose I just click here, already the whatever the email IDs were saved in your contact, so it could be pop up over here and you can just directly choose it. I'll choose my own email ID. So, and yes, this is what exactly the subject line, what you wish to convey to the recipient ends. So here I have to just typed FDP assignment. Okay, so the recipient would get the address line over here. This is what exactly the subject you could see. I'll just scroll down here. This is what exactly the subject lines. So FDP assignment, here in this portion you have to write down. This is my already created. Here you wish to type dear sir, respected sir, dear madam, respected madam. So, and you can type over here the matter. As I told you, the matter must be very small, matter should be there. Do not use the capital letters. So this is what exactly you should not use the capital letters over here. Now, and the last, which is very important, thanks or thank you very much. So like that, complimentary close we could say in the letter. So here is the my name, which is already mentioned over here. And one more point I would like to convey here, as I told you in this model, the attachment, this is the sign you could see over here, the attach files. So after clicking the attachment file, whatever I could attach, so I have to take it from, yeah, so this is what exactly the PDF file. I can just click on that particular file which I want to send, so and then click OK. So that file would be uploaded over here. You can see that file over here. If that file is larger, that file could be sent through the Google Drive also. He asks you the permission whether to send by Google Drive or not. And after just getting this particular file is uploaded, look at that, this is uploading the file. And meanwhile these are also the icons, but we will see these icons and their usage in our next module. In this module we are just talked about, once again I would like to repeat, this is what exactly to whom you are wish to write the email. So that email address is there to, yes, and then see our file is uploaded. This is what exactly the sign comes. If you wish to don't want to send it, you can just simply click on this cross arrow and that file would be removed, and then click on the send button, that file would be sent. Look at that, After just clicking on the send button, that file would be reflected in my subject line. Look at that. This is what exactly me, it means this file has been drafted by me. So I could get here FDP assignment and some matter which is over there in that particular box that has been we could see here, and there is a one attachment over here. So friends, I hope you do understood this particular session. Thank you very much. If you wish to send any email, you can send it to me on my email ID profzankar@gmail.com. So with this, thank you very much.